Hi, I wanted to share with you some skills that your first grader will be learning this week. One of the skills that we're learning will be the spelling rule for C and K. The rule says K takes I and E, C takes the other three. The other three refers to the vowels A, O, and U. The way that a child applies these rules is by saying the word. When they hear a word that begins with K, then they're listening to the next sound in the word to determine whether they would spell the word with a C or K. So for example, if I'm trying to write the word can, I listen for the sounds, k, an. The first sound is k. The second sound is a. K takes I and E, C takes the other three. So the a or the A would begin with a C, so I would write C-A-N. If I want my child to spell the word kit, again, I'm going to sound the word out, k-it. It begins with k. The next sound is I. That's the letter I. Because the word begins with I, the rule tells me K takes I and E. So K would begin the word, and I would spell the word kit. Right now, there may not be that many words that begin with K. We've been practicing using nonsense words. Nonsense words are words that are not real and cannot be used in a sentence. However, they are words that children can use the sounds to be able to determine what letters to write. So an example might be a word like kep, k-e-p, K-E-P. Nonsense words can be made up as long as they can use all of the letters to spell the words. The other thing that we're going to be working on is using the counting up strategy to be able to solve math problems that involve missing numbers. So your child might have a math problem that says something like 2 plus something equals 6. We start with what we know, and we count on to what we know the final answer is. So if we start with 0 and say 2, and now we're going to put on one more and for each number until we get to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put on 4 more. Therefore, I know that 2 plus 4 equals 6. Another demonstration. If the equation says 5 plus something equals 8, I start with 5. This is my 0 because I have not put any more on yet. So 5, put on 6, 7, 8. I've put on 3 more to get to 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. You can apply this strategy also if the missing number is the first number. So something plus 4 equals 9. Something plus 4 equals 9. I begin with the 4 and I put on more until I get to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I put on 5 more, so 5 is the missing number, and 5 plus 4 is 9. I hope that this will help as you practice with your child this week to give you a better understanding of the skills and the strategies that we're using in the classroom. Thank you very much.